Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesura Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Sagittarius, sun, moon and rising sign for the first week of the July. This is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. In this video, I'm going to take a look at your past situation, present situation and the future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you and end the video pulling some advice. So Sagittarius, for the first week of the July. Whoa. In the recent past, we have the Six of Pentacles. We have the Eight of Cups. There is Knight of Pentacles. You could be dealing with an earth sign. In the present, we have the Nine of Cups. You have the Five of Swords. You have the Wheel of Fortune in the present moment. In the future, we have, one second. In the future, we have the Nine of Pentacles. There is a Three of Cups. There is Three of Wands. Okay, the challenge for the week is the King of Cups. Okay, the challenge for the week is you have to balance your emotional stability. You have to be stable when it comes to your emotions. You shouldn't have to change for someone else. There could be chances of someone entering your life and changing a lot of things. They're bringing a lot of conflict. You should be stable with your emotions. You shouldn't have to change. Okay, you're gonna clarify the challenge in a moment. In the recent past, there is someone someone disconnected from relationship because they felt there is something that other person is not fulfilling for them. You could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. There is something this person was offering you, or you expected something else from the relationship, from this person. Relationship was going too smoothly. Maybe some of you wanted this to go, as Sagittarius, you guys are like, you want to go very fast. Everything has to go, very excited. You guys are excited for a lot of things. Maybe something was lacking in the relationship. I'm going to clarify it. In the present moment, someone in the present moment are fighting for what they want, for fighting for their satisfaction, their self-satisfaction, their wish. In order to get their wish, many of them are fighting. Okay, this could be you, or they want some changes in the relationship, or they want some changes in the situation. They don't want this situation, in the present situation, whatever going on. It could be with you or it could be with your partner. They want some changes. They're wishing for something else. I feel like they're expecting something else, Sagittarius. In the future, there is the Nine of Pentacles, there is the Three of Cups, there is the Three of Wands. For some of you, there is a chances of someone from your past coming your way in the future, giving you a lot of happiness. Someone is being a lot of happy in the future. They have broad plans for you. This is you. I see you are planning about this connection, planning a lot of trips. It could be thinking broader way about this connection, about this partner. I feel you're being so happy in the future. So before everything, I'm going to clarify the King of Cups for you. Why you have to be strong with your emotions. What is the situation which is going to get you, which is warning you to be stable with your emotions. So King of Cups. So the King of Cups is clarified by the Five of Wands, the Page of Pentacles, there's a Judgment. Okay, for many of you, there could be chances of an argument going between you and this person. This person who offered you love in the recent past, or could offer you something in the week. I feel like very strongly this is an earth sign. Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo is very strong here. this argument is going to get you some realization about this person, what this person is offering you. There's a chance of you realizing something. It could break your heart, or it could be chances you realize something negative or something positive. So whatever you're realizing about this opportunity which is coming your way in the present moment, there's a chances you fighting with this person for something in order to get some realization. So the challenge is, be stable with your emotions. Anything could happen. This fight could bring whatever, we don't know. There could be chances something you didn't know which is going to come in the light. So you have to be stable with your emotions. Okay, I'm going to clarify the 8 of Cups. Okay, I'm going to clarify 6 of Pentacles. Before that, there was a situation, you give and taking situation going on between you and your partner. What is that message it want us to give? Sagittarius. What is the message from the 6 of Pentacles? So the 6 of Pentacles is clarified by the Empress, the Sun, the Knight of Swords. So it could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. This person came sudden. This person was like speaking a lot. This person was bringing a lot of happiness. This person was giving you a lot of care, happiness. This person was nurturing you. There was a lot of happiness in the recent past with the relationship. There was a growth in the relationship. There was a stable growth. This person was, so communicative. This person was giving you a lot of happiness. That's the final thing. The relationship was good. But something to do with the Knight of Swords here. Someone was giving you a lot of happiness in the recent past. Okay. Someone disconnected from being in connection with this person. I'm going to clarify the 8 of Cups. Why did you disconnect from this person? Or this could be your person who disconnected from you. Tell me more about the 8 of Cups. So 8 of Cups is clarified by the 9 of Wands, the Devil, the Page of Wands. I feel this is you disconnected from this person, Sagittarius, because you felt there is something is toxic. There is someone you felt like you are addicted to this person. You didn't want to. You want some changes in relationship. You gave up, or you were not ready almost, but at the end of the moment you just gave up with this connection because you felt this is something which is not giving you happy. This connection had some bad intention. Okay, you looked towards something else. You wanted something else, so you were like possibly disconnected from this person. Something to do with the Knight of Pentacles in the recent past. There was some slow moment. There was a person in the recent past who made a slow moment in the recent. I want to not clarify this because there was 2 cards. Okay, something to do with someone moving away. So Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the Moon, the 6 of Swords, the 3 of Cups. For many of you, there's a chances. It could be for you, it could be for your person. Someone from past who entered into way in your recent past, okay? They just made an appearance. This person was so secretive. The person who came, it was so secretive. They were so secretive, okay? This is about your past. You are asking about your past, Sagittarius. This is about your past, okay? You just didn't want to reconcile with this person. You didn't want to reconcile. I see you guys are moving away from this person because you feel there is something this person is hiding. There is something you don't know about this connection. You gave up with this connection because you felt there is some toxic attached to it. You wanted to look through some broader views. You expected still more happiness from this connection, okay? In the present moment, someone is wishing. This could be you or this could be your partner. Someone is fighting for their wish. Someone is fighting for some changes in the present moment. There is some conflict going on in order to change something. I'm going to clarify the Nine of Cups. What is this wish is all about? Nine of Cups is clarified by the Lovers card, the Temperance. There is the 5 of Swords. You are fighting to get some balance in your life. You want some balance in your relationship. In the present, whatever happened in the past, there wasn't the balance. So you want some balance in your connection, in your relationship. That's why you have disconnected with this person, because you have been analyzing everything. You felt like you're not satisfied by this relationship. There is something, this relationship is really not giving you satisfaction, so you're fighting for this. In the present moment, I see you are fighting for what you want. There's a big changes taking place in the present moment for many of you, Scorpio. So I'm going to clarify the Wheel of Fortune for you. Very clear reading for Scorpio. Okay. So sorry, Sagittarius, why are we doing this? Okay. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified by the 8 of Wands, the 10 of Cups. There is 2 of Wands. Okay. There could be some messages you're going to hear from this person. Okay. You would have clarified what you wanted. There could be the result had been, come from this conflict. Many of you want this connection very badly with this person, because there's you find this connection can give you a lot of happiness. Okay, but still many of you are thinking about separating from this connection, or thinking something different about this connection rather than getting in connected with this person. Many of you thinking a lot, different perspective, thinking about two options. There might be two things which is hidden in your mind, Sagittarius. You are thinking something else, something in a different way. You are fighting for what you want in the present moment. Finally, there's a chances of some big things going to happen. You're going to hear something about this connection, so you think of separating from this person. Okay, so be strong. There's a challenge for the week. In the future, there is someone being happy. That could be related to reconciling with this person, getting back with this person. You're going to clarify the 9 of Pentacles. Many of you could make a decision about giving this another opportunity, this person another opportunity. Okay. The 9 of Pentacles is clarified by the Hierophant, the Queen of Cups. There is the King of Swords. Okay. You are going to accept this person. Many of you are going in the future, there's a chances of getting committed with someone in the future who will give you a lot of emotional stability, or getting committed to your beliefs. Many of you could make some cold decisions towards this person, because you are getting commit with what you believe in. You're not going to change your mind about this person who is reconciling in the present moment, about this person, about this reconciliation with this person. Okay, there's a message from the 3 of Cups. The message from the 3 of Cups about getting back to person. I feel like you're not going to change for this person. You are getting committed for what you want, Sagittarius. Okay, fine. The 3 of Cups is clarified by the Strength, the Ace of Wands, the challenge for the week, the King of Cups. Here you are, Sagittarius. Many of you are giving it a new start, giving this person who is coming from the back, from the past, giving them a chance for a fresh start, because you feel this is going to give you a lot of strength. This person, this relationship is going to give you a lot of happiness, going to give a lot of strength. Emotionally, this could be giving you a lot of balance. Okay, that's why you don't want to leave this connection, getting committed to what you believe in, whatever you're fighting for this person. I feel like that, but this time you're being somewhat cold, because you're not ready to accept that person's beliefs. You want your beliefs to be ruled. You're not ready to accept compromise. Okay, there is someone who is looking for broader view. I feel this is you. You are thinking something else about this connection, about this relation, though you're ready to accept, but your thinking style have been changed about this person. Okay, the 3 of Wands is clarified by the 8 of Pentacles, the 7 of Pentacles. There is a Justice. You really want to work out this connection. You really are waiting in order to make broader plans with this person. You really wait. It could be, yeah, this is you. You want some justice in this connection. Okay, because you felt like in the past there was something wasn't balanced in this relationship. So you really want this relationship to work out and bring some balance, bring some justice. So there is a lot of fight going on between you and your partner in the present moment. In the future also, in order to believe in yourself, believe in what you trust, you believe. Okay, so there's a lot of conflict in order to get what you want in this relationship, Sagittarius. Okay, that is all I have for the Sagittarius people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Before everything, there is an advice. I almost forgot the advice for Sagittarius. Sorry. Okay, the advice for the week for Sagittarius is your commitment is being tested. So that is what it is. Your commitment with this person is being tested. There is a universe, there's a spirits are giving you a lot of challenges from the past, present, in the future too. So this is like testing. How potential are you in this connection? How strong are you with your connection? This is testing, okay, nothing but testing. So pass in this test. That is what the challenge is all about. Be stable with your emotions. Just don't change it for anyone, for anything. That is all I have for the Sagittarius people. I like the video, like the reading for you. If you guys liked it too, then please do consider liking the video. Please do subscribe and press that bell icon too if you don't want to miss any upcoming videos. So you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.